Hello students, now in this video let us see some more examples on Warshall's algorithm. So, example, using Warshall's algorithm, obtain transitive closure of the relation R, and that relation is 1 1 1 3 1 4 2 1 2 2 3 2 3 3 4 1 on set A having the elements 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now the step 1 says that first of all we have to obtain, now let me write R first here. Given R is what? 1 1 1 3 1 4 2 1 2 2 3 2 3 3 and 4 1. Now let us write the matrix for relation R, or relation matrix of R, and we are naming it as W0. It is what? 1 1, so 1 2 is not there, 1 3 and 1 4, 2 1 2 2, otherwise 0, 3 2 3 3, otherwise 0, 4 1, otherwise 0. This is our W0. Now we have to take k is equal to 1. So k is equal to 1. Consider first column of W0. From that get the positions of 1 in first column. What are the positions of 1 in first column? It is 1, 2 and 4th position. Fine. And first row. Also consider first row of W0. From that the positions of 1 in first row. Positions of 1 in first row is 1, 3 and 4. Therefore, we add 1 in position. Which position? 1 1, 1 3, 1 4, 2 1, 2 3, 2 4, 4 1, 4 3 and 4 4. These positions we need to add 1. Therefore, we get W1. So W1 is which position? 1 1, 1 3, 1 4. Fine. Then 2 1, 2 2 is already there. So 2 3, 2 4. Then for third column there is no any extra 1. Now 4 1 is already there, 4 2 is not there, 4 3 and 4 4. This is our W1. Now k is equal to 2. Let k is equal to 2. Consider second column second column of whom? W1, second column of W1. Therefore positions of 1 in second column are what? Second column. Positions of 1 is second and third, and second row of W1 gives positions of 1 in second row. What are the positions of 1? It is everywhere. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Fine. Therefore we add 1 in position. Which position? This is 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. Fine. Then 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3 and 3, 4 as such. Therefore we get W2, and the W2 is, look at here, this is first row will remain same, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now second row slightly changes, it will be same because at this position already 1 is there. Now third row will change, here it will be 1 now everywhere. Fine. Now fourth row is as it is. Now k is equal to 3. Consider third column of W2. What are the positions of 1? Positions of 1 in third column. Positions of 1 in third column. What are they? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 is everywhere. So, and third row of W2. Your positions of 1 in third row. Again it is everywhere. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Fine. Therefore we add 1 in position where 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. Again 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3 and 4, 4. Therefore we get W3 is, now this is nothing but all pairs in A cross A. So everywhere we get 1 here. At each and every position we get 1. So here W3 is this 1, 1, 1, 1 and whole 1. Now k is equal to 4. K is equal to 4. But actually for k is equal to 4, even we do not need to go for that, since there is 1 in all positions. So that implies W4 is nothing but W3. Look at, if we consider fourth column, then in fourth column 1 is everywhere and fourth row also 1 is everywhere. So we get one in each position again. Therefore the transitive closure of R is, what does that? That is nothing but R star. That R star is, that is equivalent to this 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4, then again 4 1 4 2 4 3 and 4 4. That is nothing but what? This is nothing but A cross A here. Now let us see the next example for this. That's Warshall's algorithm. Now here the second example is that let A is having the elements ABCD, R be this relation AA, AC, BC, CC, AD, DB, CA and DD is there. Now question is that find transitive closure of R using Warshall's algorithm. So here R is this AA, AC. Now let me write this AD before, AD, then BC, then let us write for CA, then CC, then DB and DD. How many pairs are there? 3, 3, 6, 7, 8. Here also 8 pairs. Fine. So this is the same. Now let us write the matrix relation or the matrix form of this relation. So it will be W0. So here we get AA position is 1, AB is not there, AC is there, AD is there, fine. Then directly BC is there, otherwise zeros are there. Then next one will be what? CA and CC is there, otherwise 0. DB and BD is there. DD is there, sorry. DB and DD is there. Now K is equal to 1. Consider first column of W0. So positions of 1 in first column. Positions of 1 in first column are where? At 1 and 3, first and third position, and first row of W0. Therefore positions of 1 in first row. Positions of 1 in first row, first, third and fourth. First, third and fourth. Therefore we add 1 in positions. With positions 1 1, 1 3, 1 4, 3 1, 3 3 and 3 4. Now therefore we get W1. Now clearly at 1 1, 1 3 and 1 4 position 1 is there. So first row remains same. Now for second row there is no any extra 1. Now in third row 3 1, 3 3 and 3 4. So 3 1 3 3 is already there. Now 3 4 is added. So otherwise fourth row remains same. This is our W1. Now consider k is equal to 2. In that one, consider second column. Second column of whom? Of W1. Therefore, positions of 1 in second column. Positions of 1 in second column. Which are the positions of 1 in second column? These are, this one, it is 4. Now add second row and second row of W1. Therefore, positions of 1 in second row. Positions of 1 in second row is where? At third position. Fine. Therefore we add 1 in position. 1 in position. At which position we need to add 1? 1 in position 4, 3. 4, 3. We will add 1. Therefore we get, what does we get? We get W2. Therefore W2 equal to, only at one position we get, this position we get 1. Otherwise other r remains same. Now 0 0 1 0. This is 1 0 1 1. Here 0 1 1 1. This is W2. Now k equal to 3. So consider third column of W2. Third column of W2. Therefore, positions of 1 in third column. What are the positions of 1 in third column? In third column, the 1 is where? Everywhere. 1 2 3 and 4. Now and third row of W2. We get positions of 1 in third row. Positions of 1 in third row is where? 1 3 and 4. Therefore we add 1 in position. At which position we need to add 1? Look at here. 1 1 1 3 1 4 2 1 2 3 2 4 3 1 3 3 3 4. Now further, what are they? 4 1 4 3 and 4 4. Therefore we get W3. Therefore W3 equal to, we get at 1 1 1 2 is not there, 1 3 1 4 fine. Then 2 1 2 2 is not there, 2 3 and 2 4. Then 3 1 is already there, 3 2 is not there, 3 3 and 3 4 is there, 4 1 is extra 1. Otherwise 4 3 is already there, 4 4 is also there. Fine. Now k is equal to 4. Consider fourth column of W3. So positions of 1 in fourth column. fourth column. Positions of 1 is where? Everywhere. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And fourth row of W3. So positions of 1 in fourth row is also everywhere. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Therefore we add 1 in positions. 1 in position. Which position? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3 and 2, 4. Next 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, then 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3 and 4, 4. So therefore we get W4 equal to, W4 is nothing but 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, everywhere 1. So we get that transitive closure of given relation R is nothing but A cross A. Therefore we have 1 in all positions, hence transitive closure of given relation R. Transitive closure of given relation R is equal to what? R star, and that is equal to A cross A. It is nothing but A cross A, because each and every pair is in this transitive or is in this matrix or is one here. So transitive closure is A cross A. So transitive closure is the smallest relation which is transitive there. So now here this is about Warshall's algorithm. Now in next video we will see the definition of coset, then also Hasse diagram and the terms related to it. Thank you.